Back in 1959, Nikon introduced the f-mount, and one of the really cool things about it is that many of those lenses are still usable today. Even lenses that were designed decades ago can be mounted on modern Nikon digital cameras with varying levels of compatibility. On higher-end Nikon DSLRs, like this D800E, many older non-CPU lenses, such as this 28mm f2.8 AIS, actually work very well. The camera's exposure meter functions normally, and the lens's focal length and aperture can be recorded in your photo's metadata. There's just one extra step you need to take first. You have to register your non-CPU lenses in the camera. To do that, head into the Setup menu and select Non-CPU Lens Data. Here, Nikon gives you up to 9 slots where you can store information for different lenses. On this camera, I already have 3 lenses registered: a 28mm f2.8, an 85 f2, and a 135 f3.5. For this video, I'm going to register the 28mm again, this time using slot number 4. All you need to do is scroll to the correct focal length, select the maximum aperture, and then hit Done. Now that the 28mm lens is mounted on the D800E, you can see that the camera recognizes which aperture I'm selecting on the lens. And because of that, this information gets saved directly into the image metadata. If you use multiple non-CPU lenses, it's really handy to assign a camera control that lets you quickly switch between them. I've set this up using the preview button along with the rear command dial. To set that up for yourself, go to the custom setting menu, choose controls, then select assign preview button. From there, choose preview plus command dials, and then select choose non-CPU lens number. Now, when I hold down the preview button and turn the rear dial, I can instantly switch between any of the 4 non-CPU lenses I've registered on this camera. And here's an example photo taken with a 28mm lens at 5.6. As you can see, the metadata shows the focal length and aperture correctly. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to see more photography content like this, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.